Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not downloading on the application of Crunchyroll. We will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Crunchyroll and we click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.